Are you looking for the best 12-inch miter saw blade? In this video, we will break down the top 6 12-inch miter saw blades on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dewalt DW3128P5. This 12-inch miter saw blade which comes as a 2-pack. The package consists of 2 nice blades with 80 teeth and 32 teeth available to you for use at any time. These 2 blades alongside the thin kerf guarantee you smooth, fast, and most importantly accurate cutting. Also, you can use the 80-tooth blade for making fine cuts while the 32-tooth one for tougher cuts and ripping. As on most 12-inch saw blades, the arbor size is 1 inch while the hook angle is 7.0 degrees. With this circular miter saw blade, you can easily make cuts and enjoy your woodworking. It's best used for cutting plywood, softwood, chipboard, and hardwood among other types of wood. An impressive feature about this 12-inch cross-cutting miter saw blade is the reduced vibrations which can help you to do more precise cuts and finer finishes. The main culprit for this is the computer-balanced plate. Furthermore, the tungsten carbide material assures you durability and prolonged blade sharpness. At number 2. Freud LU91R012. This blade has 72 teeth with a 5-degree negative hook, which improves the quality of the cut. They also utilize the alternating top bevel design, ATB, meaning the teeth face left and right. This configuration pushes your workpiece down and towards the fence for better control and accuracy. Also, this blade increases the performance of sliding miter saws, but it is also effective in standard saws when you want to perform crosscuts, rip cuts, and bevel cuts. The teeth are carbide tipped for increased resistance to heat and for longer life, and the kerf is thin, so making detailed cuts on your sliding saw will be easy. As well, this is coated in a PermaShield non-stick surface to increase the blade's lubrication as it passes through the stock. After all, this saw blade is backed by a limited lifetime warranty for your satisfaction. At number 3. Dewalt DW3128. Due to the thin kerf and patented anti-stick rim, you can use this one to make very smooth cuts on hardwood, plywood, and softwood. The finish quality is also very high due to perfectly sharpened carbide tips. It's enough for around 30 cuts on the hardwood. Also, this blade has a 1-inch arbor, which is compatible with all standard 12-inch miter saws. The entire plate is computer cut, so it fits all miter saws without backlash. And this one is a great value for money. The only drawback is that it may get dull a bit faster than some of the alternatives. Finally, it provides a 90-day risk-free trial of the blade, a 1-year service, and a 3-year warranty. At number 4. Freud D12100X. This is a 12-inch saw blade with 100 teeth. It leaves behind a cut so smooth that it looks as if it has already been sanded. It is capable of retaining its sharp edge even after long periods of constant use. Also, the blade is ideal for plywood, hardwood, and aluminum, and it can even cut MDF with no problem. It also cuts through metal and steel with very little stress. The blade helps to maximize tool performance and reduce material waste. It also includes a laser cut stabilizer vent to help reduce vibration and noise. As well, it has a shear face grind design that helps you make effortless cuts while reducing the amp draw on tools. It is able to cut through materials that require polish-like finishes won't be an issue anymore, as the high-density carbide helps to ensure increased durability and long-lasting material life. This saw performs as well as many larger saws. Lastly, it delivers clean and precise cuts, thereby eliminating the need for recuts. This product works excellently for millwork projects. At number 5. Neiko 10768A. The blade makes smooth cuts at up to 5,000 RPM. It's not the best option for ripping but works really well for cross-cutting, and it's actually the best miter saw blade for trim. Also, this saw blade is carbide tipped and gives great resistance to abrasion, and can handle high heat for a cleaner and smoother cut for greater accuracy, efficiency, and precision on your home improvement projects. The best feature of all is the adjustable arbor size. You can use the arbor reducer ring to put this blade not only on 12-inch saws but on 20mm arbors as well. Besides, the edges of the blade are outstanding for cutting across the grain of your workpiece and provides a much cleaner, precise cut when doing finishing work on wood, and comes with a 20mm arbor reducer for a tight and accurate fit. Furthermore, the saw blade is designed to retain its sharp cutting edge and is an ideal saw blade for wood purposes for home building and other projects, do-it-yourself, DIY, or industrial. At number 6. Concord WCB 1200T 120 HP. This is a universal blade with a 1-inch arbor and can be used with a 12-inch saw. Not only can you use this blade with a miter saw, but it is also compatible with chop saws and hand saws. Also, the blade is made of titanium carbide and has a maximum speed of 4,450 RPM, which is enough to work with hard as well as softwood. The titanium carbide material used for making the blade will last you for a very long time, especially compared to tungsten blades. As well, the blade has 120 teeth, which allow it to make fine cuts on any type of material and do this without chipping. You can also do trim work with this blade without any stress. Moreover, the blade also has a thin kerf which gives it a smooth finish and results in minimal wastage of material. The lower hook angle of the blade improves its surface quality when it comes to making the cuts, and also increases the feed pressure.